We had breakfast 9 o'clock. Zdaj smo glih zaključili z aktivacijo in imamo sestanek. And then we have lunch and we will be prepared for the game.
Winners, they are not just conforming with the situation. We won and this is enough. No. Is I win, and the way how I win is even more important. How? Okay? So how? It was not enough. So I demand more. Okay? With the head up, because we know why, we know the reasons. Okay? And the next one we will do better. Okay, boys? And now the time to talk, to communicate, to find the situation, how we can do better, how we can progress for the next time. Okay, with the head up, because I repeat again, it's not about attitude, no, it's not because you don't want it. It's because this one, we disconnect. You disconnect, you say we are winning, and we are winning. It's all the time 0-0. Our game is all the time 0-0. It doesn't matter. They are pressing high, we fight, we keep playing on the same way. We sit, we keep playing on the same way. It doesn't matter what you do in the opener. Because it's 0-0, we go for the next. And we don't have the feeling. Okay? Boys, okay, because you can do it. Yeah? Okay? Anyway, one applause for the winners. Okay?